Ask inquiry. I want to inquire about the eligibility criteria. She will inquire with the professor for clarification. I will inquire if they can provide more information. Begin commence. They will commence the research phase next month. We will commence the presentation shortly. The project will commence once funding is secured. Buy, purchase. I plan to purchase new books for my studies. They need to purchase materials for the experiment. You should purchase a new laptop for enhanced performance. Call, contact. I will contact the researcher for more details. She forgot to contact the lab to confirm. They need to contact the participants before the study. Check, examine. Please examine the calculations for errors. We should examine our fundings against previous studies. I will examine the data before submission. And conclude. The meeting will conclude by 5 p.m. They want to conclude the project on a positive note. We will conclude the session with a question and answer. Find, discover. They hope to discover new evidence for their theory. I want to discover what happened during the study. He managed to discover a solution to the problem. Give, provide. Can you provide me with the summary of the report? The study will provide us with insights into consumer behavior. I will provide you with the feedback on your presentation. Help, facilitate. The program will facilitate students in improving their skills. Can you facilitate assistance with this problem? They are here to facilitate the project. Look at, analyze. We need to analyze the data closely. Let's analyze the results from last year. We will analyze the literature review for more context. Make, construct. You need to construct a detailed report. They are constructing a new model for the experiment. We must construct a clear argument in our paper. Move, transfer. They plan to transfer the study to a new location. We will transfer the meeting to another room. She decided to transfer her focus to a different area of research. Say, Articulate. He will articulate his thoughts during the discussion. It's important to articulate what you mean clearly. I want to articulate my gratitude for your support. Show, illustrate. The data illustrates a significant increase. This chart illustrates the results of the survey. They want to illustrate how their method works. State, initiate. They will initiate the trial next month. We should initiate the review process soon. I plan to initiate my research this summer. Tell, inform. Please inform the team about the schedule changes. I will inform you of my findings later. They need to inform everyone about the meeting. Think, contemplate. I need to contemplate my options. He likes to contemplate the implications of his research. Let's contemplate how to improve our methods. Use, utilize. We will utilize different techniques in our analysis. I like to utilize data from various sources. They utilize innovative methods in their research. Worry, concern. I am concerned about the outcome of the experiment. They are concerned that their findings may not be accepted. He does not express concern about the results. Work on, engage in. I am engaging in my thesis research right now. They engage in various projects simultaneously. She is engaging in improving her skills. Try, attempt. We will attempt to improve our methodology. She is attempting to solve the equation. They attempt to complete their work before the deadline. Help out, assist. Can you assist with organizing the event? They frequently assist with the experiments in the lab. We need more individuals to assist with this project. Show up, attend. Many people will attend the seminar. They attend the meeting late. He will attend the conference tomorrow. Check out, review. You should review the latest articles. I will review the data later. They need to review the new procedures. Look into, investigate. We need to investigate the problem more deeply. They will investigate the causes of the issue. I plan to investigate this theory further. Pass on, convey. Please convey the message to your colleagues. She conveyed her knowledge to the students. I will convey your concerns to the committee. Pick, select. You can select any topic for your essay. They selected a suitable candidate for the role. She selected her courses for the semester. Plan, strategy. We need to strategize our research methodology. They strategy to develop a new system. Let's strategize how to approach the project. Put off, postpone. They decided to postpone the meeting. Can we postpone the presentation until next week? The team will postpone the experiment due to the lack of materials. Run, conduct. They will conduct the survey next month. We plan to conduct multiple trials to validate the results. The researcher will conduct an experiment to test the hypothesis. Show, exhibit. The gallery will exhibit the artist's work next week. They want to exhibit their results at the conference. She plans to exhibit her model at the presentation. Stand for, represent. This variable represents a larger trend. He represents the entire committee's views. The data represents a broader demographic. Take care of, address. We need to address the problems immediately. They will address the budget issue. She plans to address the final steps in the process. Think about, consider. Please consider the consequences before acting. They want to consider different options. I need to consider my next steps. Turn in, submit. Please submit your assignments on time. She will submit her final paper next week. They asked us to submit the forms by Friday. Workout, resolve. They will resolve the issues during the meeting. He is trying to resolve the problem with his calculations. The team resolved their differences before starting the project. Write down, document. Please document your observations. I need to document the procedure. She always documents important details during meetings. Bring up this. He will raise his concerns at the next meeting. They want to raise new topics for discussion. She raised an interesting point during the lecture. Join, participate. You can participate in the research group if you are interested. He wants to participate in the debate competition. Many students participated in the workshop. Work together, collaborate. They will collaborate to complete the project. The departments need to collaborate on this initiative. We should collaborate to resolve this issue. Fix, repair. We need to repair the issue in the system. They are attempting to repair the malfunctioning machine. I will repair the errors in my report. Figure out, determine. We need to determine the cause of the problem. He determined a method to increase efficiency. They are attempting to determine how to implement the new policy. Get, obtain. You need to obtain approval from the supervisor. They will obtain the necessary materials for the experiment. I will obtain my degree next year. Deal with, manage. They are attempting to manage the situation. We need to manage these challenges immediately. She knows how to manage difficult tasks. Set up, establish. We will establish a meeting for next week. They established the lab for the experiment. He plans to establish a new system. Give up, surrender. He does not want to surrender the project. They surrendered after multiple failures. I refuse to surrender my objectives. Bring about, cause. The new regulations caused significant changes. This study will cause a better understanding of the topic. The policy caused positive outcomes. Talk about, discuss. We need to discuss the results of the study. He will discuss the project during the meeting. Let's discuss the implications of the findings. Go on, continue. We should continue the experiment despite the challenges. They continued to explore new methods. He continued his research after the initial setback. Find out, discover. I want to discover more about this topic. She discovered the cause of the error. They are attempting to discover how the system works.